Paula Leonard, CEO of Alcohol Forum Ireland. Alcohol Forum Ireland is an independent charity in Ireland that was set up to prevent and reduce the levels of alcohol harm in Ireland and to challenge sort of that really problematic relationship that we have in Ireland with alcohol. 15 years ago here in County Donegal, the charity would have been set up in direct response to the number of children that were being taken into the care of the state, where alcohol was being cited as the primary reason for children being referred to child protection. So over the last 15 years we've grown. We now have offices in Cavan, in Sligo that cover Sligo, Leitrim, and here in Donegal. But we work at a national level on advocacy, policy, research, community action on alcohol and prevention. So we work with lots of other agencies and organisations that are committed to achieving the same thing, which is really a safer Ireland. In Ireland at the moment, 4 people die every day as a direct result of alcohol harm. So for us as a charity, the work that we do focuses at the grassroots level. It focuses on working with and supporting families who have the burden of alcohol harm. So we really believe that it's really important to work at that family level and to look beyond just the person who has problems with alcohol or other drugs, and to look at what supports those families need, what relationships need to be strengthened, what communication needs to be improved, what strengths there already are in the family, and how things can improve for a family overall. So with funding from the North West Regional Drug and Alcohol Task Force, from TUSLA and from the HSE, we run a range of specialised alcohol and other drug support for those families that are struggling as a result of parental substance misuse. That includes the Non-Violent Resistance Programme, which is where parents are experiencing violence or coercive control from their children. We work and deliver a programme called Impact, which is an evidence-based programme where families come together over a period of 8 weeks and they talk about what damage alcohol is doing in those families and in those family relationships. And children really are the focus of that programme, and they get to say what life is like for them and what improvements they would like to see happen. So over the last number of years we've been able to extend the menu of supports that we give to families. We now also deliver what is called 5-step family support, and we deliver a version of that with teenagers called Steps to Cope. So both of those programmes are about the people who are affected by a loved one's alcohol or other drug use. And they're really effective. People find them really good. Evaluation shows that they work. We take referrals for our programmes from a range of agencies, from An Garda Síochána, from the Court Service, from TUSLA, from the HSE, and people can also refer themselves in for the programme, so they can ring us here at the office. They can tell us what's going on for them in their families, and then they can refer themselves on to one of the programmes. Somebody will come out and meet with them, talk to them about what we can offer, and then hopefully we can match them with the best level of support that they need.